1, 2, 3. Yes, it's chicken wings time. We'll start off with olive oil on the wings. Give it a good mix so the seasoning can stick to it. Let's use some Brazilian-style barbecue on the bird, because it tastes like samba. Mix it. More seasoning. More mix. Some more, please, because it is all natural and not too salty. Final mix. Just like that. Get your hands wet. Let's put these wings in a Ziploc bag. Put it in the refrigerator for 3 hours or overnight. Let's remove it and put it in the air fryer. Spread the wings like that. Set your time for 20 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. After it is done cooking, let's flip all the wings like that. Now, let's set the time again and cook it for another 20 minutes at 400 degrees again. While it is cooking, we can make our sweet sauce for our wings. On a bowl, add mayonnaise. Add barbecue sauce. Add honey mustard. And for the kick, add some sweet chili sauce. Let's mix it like that. Sweet. Now add some black pepper and mix it again. Very easy, right? Time is up. Let's remove the wings from the air fryer. After that, preheat your oven to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Put the wings on a pan that can go into the oven. Let's brush the wings with some buffalo sauce. Since my family can't take the heat, I will just brush some of the wings. I will brush the rest of my wings with my sweet sauce that I made. Now, put it in the oven for 10 minutes. Remove it and you are done. Look at that. Beautiful and delicious. Here is the buffalo wing sauce. Here is my sweet sauce. And this is blue cheese sauce. Now, I am curious. What drink do you have your wings with? I eat my wings with tequila. Salud. Do you love tequila? So do you know what this is? No. It's not a candle. In your hands is a piece of history. Try my Chow's signature Himalayan tequila shot glasses are made from ancient, raw, 100% all-natural salt rock that took 600 million years to form. The pink salt comes from remnants of ancient seabeds that crystallized 600 million years ago.
Did you say 600 million years old?
Yes, 600 million years.
Damn, son.
Legend has it, it was actually Alexander the Great's horse that first discovered the salt rocks when it stopped to lick them. Thanks to its pink hue and supposed health benefits, this salt exploded in popularity since the late 2000s. It's turned into lamps, statues, salt, and of course, try my Chow's signature tequila shot glasses. These rocks were carved from the finest quality salt mines in Pakistan and brought to the USA. Simply pour your favorite tequila into the salt glass and serve with lime wedges. The taste is smooth and so good you won't believe it. Our ancient salt shot glass will immediately make contact with your drink. Enjoy it within 5 to 10 seconds for best results. We don't use any man-made plastic materials in between your drink and the salt so you can enjoy the full 600 million year experience of the raw Himalayan salt taste. Since our salt shot glass is antibacterial, it is simple to clean. After each shot, flip glass over to keep salty brine from forming. To clean it, quickly rinse it under cold water and pat dry with a paper towel. Store it in a cool, dry place when not in use. Do not put the shot glass in the dishwasher or use any kind of soap to clean it. Our box design was inspired by jingle trucks dating back to the 1920s, when long-distance Bedford trucks got pimped out with outrageously festive paint jobs before hitting the road. Now, get 2 600 million year old, 100% all-natural, organic, smooth, raw Try My Chow's signature tequila Himalayan shot glasses for only $19.99 plus shipping. It makes a great gift as well. People will be wow. Enjoy your piece of history.
I need a drink ASAP.
¿Quieres margarita?
I need a drink ASAP.
Una margarita.
I need a drink ASAP. La tequila, ponga la tequila.